The wrong commercial fryer can cost your business time, money, and food quality. Choosing the right ventless commercial deep fryer can improve efficiency, save space, and simplify kitchen operations. Welcome to PartsFe. In this video, we'll explain how to choose the right ventless commercial deep fryer for your commercial kitchen and highlight the key features to consider before investing. A ventless commercial deep fryer uses an integrated filtration system to capture grease and smoke, eliminating the need for a separate exhaust hood. This makes it suitable for compact kitchens, but regular maintenance is essential for proper performance and long service life. Here's how to choose the right unit for your needs. First, match frying capacity with your daily production. For small cafes or light snack menus, an 8 to 12 pound oil capacity is generally enough. For quick service restaurants or continuous frying, consider a 13 to 18 pound capacity. An undersized fryer may lose oil temperature during batch loading, causing longer cooking times and oily, soggy food. Next, check heating power and recovery speed. Consistent results depend on how quickly the oil returns to frying temperature. Look for a 208 voltage to 240 voltage unit with a 2 to 4 minute recovery time after adding frozen food. Then, evaluate filtration quality. Choose a 3-stage system with a grease filter for oil vapors, a HEPA filter for fine smoke particles, and an activated carbon filter for odors. Also, confirm your electrical capacity. Most ventless fryers require a dedicated 30 amps to 50 amp circuit. A shared circuit can cause breaker trips and downtime. Finally, choose a fryer with recognized commercial safety certifications that complies with local building and fire codes. The right ventless fryer delivers consistent food quality, improves workflow, saves valuable space, and supports compliance for years to come, while supporting smoother, safer, and more efficient operations. To learn more about ventless commercial deep fryers and find quality commercial kitchen equipment parts, check the link in the description. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts in the USA and Canada, visit PartsFe and follow us for more equipment tips and replacement parts. Thanks for watching.